The flush log panel in Wise Option is a powerful organizational tool for embryo transfer facilities. It tracks embryo flushes, scheduled ICSI embryos, and available recipient mares within a rolling 3-week calendar, with the current day clearly highlighted. Each day includes 2 columns, one for donor mares scheduled for flushes and any scheduled ICSI embryos, and one for recipient mares who ovulated that day. You'll see key details at a glance, such as number of recipient ovulations and embryo flush results. Navigation is easy with forward and back buttons at the bottom right, and an optional auto refresh keeps data up to date when multiple users are working in the system. You can also access mare records directly. Donor mares display a summary card, while recipient mares open to their full record. This feature simplifies scheduling, improves coordination, and reduces manual tracking, making it a valuable asset for busy equine breeding operations.